Welcome back to MacPhee Ford. Today we're taking a look at this 2020 Ford F-150 XLT with the Sport Appearance Package. This F-150 comes fully loaded. You've got remote start. Let's hit that button twice. You've got your sport badges on the side here with your vinyl, your molded running board, your black wheels, and then you've got a red and black F-150 badge right here. The door handy, you've got a keyless remote entry pad. Power window controls over here. Power adjustable foot pedals, your lighting controls, and electric parking brake. The seats have a nice sport appearance vinyl on them. Nice cloth seats that are powered for the passenger and driver. Also heated. You've got your sport badge here, or your sport dash, sorry. So you've got various modes with display mode, trip and fuel, towing, off-road, and settings. Cruise control on the left, hands-free on the right. You do have your Sync 3 sound system with built-in hotspot, navigation, Sirius XM, and many more features. Locking differential with 2 high, 4 high, and 4 low. Your media controls, climate controls with heated seats. And just down there you have a cubby with 2 USB ports. Center console shift knob wrapped in leather. Drive modes here, you've got normal, tow haul, snow and wet, eco, and sport mode. Around back you've got the FX4 badge right there. Paint match rear bumper. Rear view camera right below the tailgate latch. You've got your drop-in bed liner right here. You can see that, lots of room, and then you've also got a mirror or window back there for the rear passengers. Rear seats here, you've got cubbies on the door. Your cloth seats back here, lots of leg room. 2 more cup holders, 2 more USB ports, and a household plug. Your stitching still continues back here with the seat belt, and the sport badge. You've got some lighting back here with hooks on each side to hang clothes or other bags. And back around to the front, you've got your headlights here. They're halogens with the fog lights. Turn signals, your sport mesh grille here. Really like the look of that. You've also got another vinyl on the hood. 2 tow hooks down below. So come on over to MacPhee Ford today. Talk to a sales advisor about getting you into this brand new F-150.